जय श्री राम। और आप सभी देशवासियों को रामलला के प्राण प्रतिष्ठा के लिए बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। इस शुभ अवसर पर मेरे 2000 सब्सक्राइबर हो गए हैं, तो मैं चाहता हूं कि ये 2000, 2 लाख, 2 करोड़ हो जाए, और ये सब आप लोग की कृपा से होगा। और मैं चाहता हूँ बहुत सारे जो मेरे जो भी कैंडिडेट्स हैं, जिनको प्रॉब्लम है, उनका जो प्रॉब्लम है उसका सॉल्यूशन मैं दूं अपने वीडियो के माध्यम से। तो फिर से अगेन आप सबको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। जय श्री राम। चलिए शुरू करते हैं इंटरव्यू।
So first of all, guys, Jai Sri Ram.
Yes,
Okay,
Sriram.
and then we'll start the interview. First of all, start with the introduction. Okay. So Deepak, could you please just introduce yourself?
Okay, sir. Thanks for giving me the opportunity here for discuss for the interview. Myself, Balmiki Kumar Rai. I belongs from Bihar, but currently I am living Delhi since last 10 years. About my educational qualification, I did graduation from Delhi University, BA honors in history, and about my computer education qualification, I did computer hardware A plus and networking N plus or MCSE from Roman Technology training for experience as a desktop support is engineer in IT industry, and I'm currently working with Modi Infosol Private Limited, New Delhi as a desktop support engineer. That's
Okay.
all.
Okay, great. Thank you, Deepak. Now, Devesh, could you please introduce yourself?
Okay, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible clearly.
Hello? Okay. Yes, sir. Sir, thanks for giving me opportunity for introducing myself. My name is Devesh Tiwari, and I belong to Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. And I have completed my schooling from my hometown, and I have completed my graduation from Bhopal University. And currently, I am working as a desktop support engineer in Excel BPO. And in my roles and responsibilities, I am responsible for Windows installation, network related issues, and printer installation, network printer installation, printer related issues, Outlook configurations, installation of antiviruses, and I have some good knowledge about ADDS, DNS, DSCP, WDS, and some good knowledge about remote tools like AnyDesk and AnyAdmin.
Okay. Okay, great. Thank you. Thank you for the introduction, both of you. So, without wasting time, we'll start the question session. Okay. So, first of all, the first question
Okay.
I just want to ask from you guys, like, what is a service desk? Could you please just tell me about the service desk? Devis, start with you. Okay. So just start and tell me what is service desk, Devis.
Service desk is a technical support from a organization to a user that service providing by service provider. Service desk is a technical support for a user from the side of a service provider.
Okay. Now, Deepak, could you please tell me something about the service desk?
Service desk is as a technical support engineer. You can give the service, provide a technical support and and users by the service desk or via remotely. You can resolve the problem and technical assistance like troubleshooting and application error uh, and others as well.
Okay. Okay. Great. Thank you. Thank you, both of you. Okay. So my next question is, okay. So tell me, it's also a small question. Tell me about what is operating system. Devesh, again, start with you. So just tell me
Okay.
about operating system.
So operating system is an interface between a user and a computer hardware.
None. Okay. Deepak, tell me something about operating system.
Operating system operating system is the users and computer you can operate and run the application and programming tools by the users or technical support engineers. you can manage all the data and programs and application on the operating system like Microsoft or Windows or Microsoft Server and Linux.
Okay, okay. Thank you both of you. So, Devesh, okay, from you, what is the latest version of Microsoft operating system?
So Windows 11 version 23 S2. But I have worked on Windows 10 22 S2.
Okay, okay. And now, Deepak, could you please tell me, is that correct?
Windows 11 update 22 something version.
Okay, okay, no issue. Thank you, both of you. Now tell me about LAN. What is LAN? Okay, Devesh, you tell me what is LAN?
LAN is a local area network. It when uh, uh, when we create multiple system in locally, like in a building or in a home type, that's called a local area network. So switches we can connect. We can create a local area network.
Okay, and Deepak, could you please tell me what is LAN?
Lo- Local area network is connected to the multiple switches and users via wireless or Ethernet cable locally or any corporate office or home office, and via that's a local area network that user connected to each other and sharing the data, information, and resources each other and talking to each other. That's called local area network.
Okay, 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 guys. Now Devesh, could you please tell me what is Outlook and have you ever used it? If yes, then please explain.
Yes, sir, I have used. Outlook is an email client application for sending and receiving mails. And through Outlook, we can create meeting also via calendar and rules and signature also. And we can configure in Outlook Outlook Gmail mail also and the company's mail also. Gmail, Yahoo, and company mail also.
Okay, okay, thank you. And now, Deepak, could you please tell me what is MS Office 365? MS Office 365.
MS Office 365, it is a cloud-based subscription from the Microsoft website. You can manage all the MS Office service provide like Outlook, Excel, Power BI, database management, SharePoint, and PowerPoint as well. You can access the uh, cloud base and you can manage all the features Microsoft Office 360 provided to you, uh, and you can manage all the users data like Excel, SharePoints, managely. You can cloud in one place in like Office or uh, outside Office.
Okay,
Manage
okay,
you can easily all the data information.
okay. Thank you. Thank you for that. So, Devesh, could you please just tell me 10 application name, 10 Microsoft application name, 10, which we used.
Microsoft Excel,
Mhm.
PowerPoint, Word, Outlook, and
Mhm.
so
Share. Okay, okay, no issue, no issue. Uh, You like after this interview, just go and like search on you Google, okay, and you should know. You should
okay,
know at least 10.
okay,
Like,
okay,
okay. And now,
okay.
Deepak, could you please tell me the same question?
10 Microsoft Office
Yeah, yeah,
tools.
yeah.
Yes.
Microsoft
Uh,
application name, 10 Microsoft
okay.
application. Mhm.
Okay. Microsoft Outlook, Power BI, and OneNote, and SharePoint, Teams, and I forget it, but
No, so
some.
you should know about it because you both, like just after this interview, just go and check on the Google, because it will help you on actual interview. Okay, they can ask, or they can ask from any application, so you should know about that application. Okay, no issue. Okay,
Okay.
that's why we are conducting mock interview. Okay, so you should understand, you should know more about the question and all. Okay, so could you please tell me about what is ITIL and ITSM? Devish, start with you. ITLM, ITIL and
ITIL, Information Technology Infrastructure Library. It gives direction to our organization and people to use IT as a tool to encourage business development, business change, and transformation.
ITSM.
So ITSM, I'm not aware of this.
No issue. Okay, so again, okay, first we'll get the answer from Deepak. Deepak, could you please tell me about both?
Sorry, sir, I'm not working on this. Uh, so I will try to get the knowledge of ITL and IT.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's very
But
mandatory.
right,
Yeah, that's very mandatory, because if you are preparing for service desk, then you should know about ITIL and ITSM. Okay, this is very important. And you will get this question on every interview. They can they will ask the question, like they
okay,
will ask, like, just tell me something about that. What is that? Even you should know about that ITIL and ITSM. Okay, at least definition. Okay, so just after this interview, go and search on Google. You can watch my video also. I already explained that my 30 interview question. If you will check my 30 interview question, you will get that. No issue.
Yes.
Okay,
okay.
Devesh, could you please tell me how to troubleshoot? What is the basic criteria to troubleshoot anything, any issue?
So firstly, we have to define the problem. What is problem means it is a hardware related or software related. Then we have to collect relevant information about the problem as much as we can collect the information. After that, we have to analyze that information. After analyzing, we have to propose a solution and test that solution. After that, if a solution is successful, the test is successful, then we have to implement that solution on the problem.
Great. Now, Deepak, could you please tell me about that?
Troubleshooting is the process, the way of identify the problem and issue, and then you can resolve the problem. Firstly, any kind of troubleshooting, like application troubleshooting. Firstly, first step, you can identify the problem, find it the problem, where is the issue. Then you can understand probably the way uh, you can resolve the problems, and after that you can fix the problems like any kind of troubleshootings.
Okay. Thank you. Now, Devesh, could you please tell me about the Active Directory? What is Active Directory?
Yes. Sir, Active Directory Domain Services stores information about object over the network and make this information available for the user and network administrators. And it authorize and authenticate users to in a window domain network and ensuring the security of application and computers. It is a database to where user credential stores and it enhance organization security also.
Okay. Now, Deepak, do you know about Active Directory?
Yes,
Yeah, just explain that.
Active Directory is a directory service to provide the Windows Microsoft system. Uh, Active Directory that store the information about computers, users, group, and resources in the Windows environment. And Active Directory also the the way of authentication and authorization uh, in the on network domain and database. It is managing database management about user application, user and computers. and OU or groups.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Devesh, could you please tell me about DHCP? What is DHCP?
Yes, sir. DHCP means Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. It is a server that allocates IP to large number of a computer. So DHCP, it is time saving and no duplicate IP assigned to the computers. And in DHCP there is DORA process. Can I explain DORA?
Yeah, please, please.
Okay. In DORA process, firstly machine discover message for DHCP server. Then when DHCP server receive that message, then it send offer message to the machine client machine after the for IP address. After that, when offer message receive that machine, then it send a message to allocate IP. When after that, when DHCP server receive that request message, then it allocate IP address to a client machine and it and save that IP address to uh, it in address. Then that's all. DORA process and DHCP.
Okay, Deepak, do you know about DHCP?
Yes.
Yeah, please explain.
DHCP Dynamic Host and Configuration Protocol. It is assigned automatically IP address on computer computer end users, and it is used for the larger network, and it is working on the DORA process. Uh, so
Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you. And Devesh, now I'll ask some practical question like uh, what you will do if your computer or PC will not turn on, okay, on one go. Like if you just click on the power button and the computer is not turning on, in that situation, what you will do? How to troubleshoot
Okay,
that
so
issue?
firstly, I will check that power source is functional or not. After that, I will check power switch also, and then I will check power cable like VG cable or HDMI cable maybe that is faulty. And after that, I will check through numlock that um, our hardware component are properly working or not. If that's not the issue, then maybe it is a screen problem or something else.
Okay. Okay, great. Could you please Deepak, could you please answer the same question?
firstly, I will check the power switch and the power cable, and then computer is not working on properly. Then I will computer switch the another power code, another system. So then you can check on the another switch. Firstly, we can switch and swap the computer and working workstation or working station. Then you will check the problem with the power cable or in your system. There your system is turning on, then your power cable or or power switch is not working. Your first uh, location that you can find the easily the power issue.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for that. Now, Devesh, could you please tell me like how should you handle a caller who refuse to calm down? Okay, if any caller is very angry, then how you can handle that caller?
Okay. Firstly, I will listen to a caller problem patiently and try to calm down caller also. And if I and try to handle their particular problem also. If it can I can resolve that problem, then I will ask for time also for that caller patiently. And if I cannot resolve that problem, then I would escalate to our level two engineer. Then I'll try to ask some time and try to maintain the uh, proper uh, proper that SLA time also.
Okay. Okay, great. Devesh. Now, Deepak, could you please tell me about that? Same question.
Sorry, sir.
How you will handle if any team member is angry on call?
Okay. Okay, on call. Firstly, I'm requesting the employee and caller try to make patience, and I'm asking and telling the what is the problem, what is the going on in your system, and then I'm requesting the try to make a patience. Then I believe the users के I make sure कि I do that as quick as fix your problem easily, and I'm not able to do that, and so I make sure कि my senior my engineer uh, fix your problem as soon as possible quickly.
Okay. Okay, great. So I think that's enough for the question round. Both have any question, you can ask me one by one. First, Devesh, if you have any question which you want to ask with me, you can ask regarding anything.
Sir, currently I'm giving interview in SCL.
Mhm.
So, and is there any to improve myself?
Okay, okay, great. I will explain you that. Now, Deepak, do you have any question? Then you can ask. I'll answer both of you. Deepak, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, do you have any question? Then you can ask me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I am currently working with Modin Kosal. This is a small office, like there is no learning new things and all that. I have given many interview last 6 months, but I am got not selected any big corporate office and big infrastructure company. So uh, can you give the some
Okay. Some tips and tricks. Okay.
suggestion for me
Sure,
Yes,
sure, sure.
better basic communication problem? So I want to, I know the what is the question answer, but I'm not explaining.
So I will explain you both of you. I understand the issue. Okay. First of all, Devesh, I just want to tell you your communication skill is okay. Good, not okay. Good. You need to focus on the eye contact. Okay. If you are in interview, okay,
Okay.
on video interview, so you need to focus. Try to maintain eye contact. Okay. Okay. If you will move your body, then it will it will not good for interview. Your technical skill is also okay because you already worked in the same profile. Okay, service desk. Just see more practical question. Okay, practical question, because if you will see the practical, if you will explain the answer practically, okay, then the interviewer can understand, yeah, you worked on that. Okay, if you will answer theoretically, then they will, anyone can understand, like, no, you just read from somewhere and just answering the question. Okay, if you will answer, if you so always try to answer practically, just like you worked on that. Okay, if I'll ask anything like, do you know about Active Directory, then you can answer, yeah, you will need to explain about the Active Directory, but again, you just need to show like you worked on that. Okay, you can like tell, you can answer like that, yeah, I already worked on that. Okay, and in Active Directory I am using Active Directory for unlock the user profile. You can mention like this. So in this like just using this answer, they can understand, okay, you already worked on that Active Directory. Yeah, again, Deepak, I just want to explain you, like you are working, correct, you are working in the same role, service desk or IT support, but
No, no. I'm currently working as a desktop support
so
engineer.
that's the same.
Not
And I will explain in Hindi maybe. यू विल गेट दैट। सो मैं अगर हिंदी में समझाता हूँ, सर्विस डेस्क, आईटी सपोर्ट और जो भी है ना, ये सब एक है। बस अगर आप कोई भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जाते हो ना, तो उनके प्रोसेस के हिसाब से रोल, लाइक आपके रोल के हिसाब से काम होता है, बट है सब सेम। आपका जो रोल रहता है, इवन आप सर्विस डेस्क देखो, आप कहीं भी ज्वाइन करते हो ना, तो आपका जो रोल होता है वो एज ए सर्विस डेस्क नहीं आता है। ओके, यू आर वर्किंग एज ए सर्विस डेस्क, बट योर रोल, आपका रोल या तो एनालिस्ट होगा, सीनियर एनालिस्ट होगा, लाइक दैट होगा। लाइक ऐसा नहीं रहेगा कि आप आईटी सपोर्ट, आपका रोल जो होगा ऑन पेपर वो आईटी सपोर्ट का होगा, टेक्निकल सपोर्ट का होगा, नहीं, आपका रोल एनालिस्ट का होगा। बट आप टेक्निकल सपोर्ट, डेस्कटॉप सपोर्ट, रिमोट डेस्कटॉप सपोर्ट, ये सारी चीजें सब एक ही है, कुछ अलग नहीं है। ओके, सो फर्स्ट थिंग, आपको इम्प्रूव क्या करना है? आपको सबसे पहले आपका कम्युनिकेशन स्किल इंप्रूव करना है, बिकॉज दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। ओके, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल के साथ साथ आपका कॉन्फिडेंस जो है ना, वो थोड़ा लो है, उसको बिल्ड करो। ठीक है, कॉन्फिडेंस, आपने जैसा बोला कि आपको आंसर पता होता है बट आप बता नहीं पाते, यही अगर आपको मैं बोलूं कि हिंदी में बोलो, आप अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन कर पाओगे। सो एंड ऑफ द डे, इश्यू क्या है? आपका कम्युनिकेशन है इश्यू। आप ट्राई करो कि कम से कम 10 से 15 मिनट ना इंग्लिश में बोले। आप जब भी एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम, इवन आप जब सोते टाइम ही बस आंख बंद करके अपने पूरे दिनचर्या के बारे में, लाइक, क्योंकि वो आपको पता है, आप पूरे दिन में आपने क्या किया, उसके ऊपर कॉन्फिडेंस है आपको, कि आपको पता है, 100% आपको पता है कि हाँ मैंने ये किया, फिर ये किया, फिर ये किया। उसी को इंग्लिश में लाइक सोचो। जो आंख बंद करो सोने से पहले 10 से 15 मिनट दो ना डेली। ये अगर 10-15 मिनट भी आप देते हो ना डेली, ये बहुत ही काम करेगा। दूसरी बात, ट्राई टू कम्युनिकेट इन इंग्लिश। लाइक आप किसी से बात भी कर रहे हो ना, जो जो इंग्लिश में, अब जिसको इंग्लिश पता ही नहीं है उसके साथ नहीं बात करना है इंग्लिश अपने को। जिसको इंग्लिश पता है, इवन हमसे ज्यादा अच्छा पता है, उनको बहुत अच्छे से आता है, ट्राई टू कम्युनिकेट। देखो पहली बात क्या है ना, कि कभी सोचो मत कि क्या होगा, वो लोग मजाक उड़ाएंगे, तो उड़ाने दो यार। हम मजाक उड़ाने से, जब जब आप अच्छे से बोलना, आपको अच्छे से बोलना आ जाएगा ना, तो वही लोग बोलेंगे, वही लोग आपसे कम्युनिकेट करने में उनको अच्छा लगेगा। सो ये मत सोचो कि मजाक उड़ाएंगे या फिर जो होगा। ऑलवेज ट्राई टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश ओनली, इवन इफ यू आर गिविंग एनी इंटरव्यू, इफ यू आर गिविंग एनी स्पीच। अगर आप कहीं पे जाते हो 10 लोगों के बीच में, तो इंग्लिश में ट्राई करो ना। इंग्लिश हिंदी दोनों, पहले ट्राई करो इंग्लिश हिंदी दोनों में बोलने का, फिर ट्राई करो कि सिर्फ इंग्लिश में ही बोले। उससे क्या होगा ना, कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बढ़ेगा। जितना ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बढ़ेगा ना, उतने अच्छे से आप इंग्लिश बोल पाओगे। और एक चीज और, आपको कम्युनिकेशन इंप्रूव करना है, तो आप ज्यादा से ज्यादा न्यूज़पेपर और बुक्स पढ़ो। क्यों बताऊं? इंग्लिश के वर्ड्स जो है ना, वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कम्युनिकेट करने में। मैंने देखा कि आप जब बोल रहे थे ना, तो आप वर्ड जो क्या बोलना चाहिए, उस वर्ड को आप समझ नहीं पा रहे थे उस समय, क्या बोलना चाहिए उस वर्ड को, एक पर्टिकुलर वर्ड को। तो ये कब होगा? जब आप बुक या फिर न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ोगे ना, तो आपको वर्ड्स की नॉलेज होगी। ठीक है, आपको वर्ड्स की नॉलेज होगी ना, तो आप और अच्छे से बोल पाओगे। और ये आप दोनों के लिए है। दिवेश, आप अच्छे थे, बट आप भी ये प्रैक्टिस करो, बुक्स और मैं
जी
ये नहीं बोलूंगा किसी मूवीज देखो। देखो मूवीज देखना क्या है ना, मूवीज में इंटरेस्ट चला जाता है कि मूवी के स्टोरी एंड स्टोरी लाइन पे। ठीक है, तो पूरा 100% हम नहीं दे पाते, बट अगर आप बुक या न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते हो ना, तो आप 100 नहीं तो 90% आप देते हो सिर्फ कम्युनिकेशन पे, उस वर्ड पे। ओके, तो अगर आप बुक या जो भी नोट्स वगैरह हो या फिर जो भी हो इंग्लिश में, न्यूज़पेपर और बुक में इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ ना, न्यूज़पेपर में जो वर्ड होते हैं ना, बहुत ही सही होते हैं। वो वर्ड हम अपने दिनचर्या में, डेली यूजेस में यूज करते हैं उसको। तो न्यूज़पेपर बहुत अच्छा है। दूसरी बात, अगर आप न्यूज़पेपर, ऐसा नहीं बोलूंगा कि न्यूज़पेपर आप खरीदना शुरू कर दो। अगर आप नहीं खरीद सकते, कोई इशू नहीं है, ऑनलाइन अवेलेबल है न्यूज़पेपर। अभी तो हब सब कुछ ऑनलाइन अवेलेबल है, सो यू कैन गो एंड चेक ऑनलाइन। बट ट्राई टू रीड। अगर आप रीड करोगे ना, जितना ज्यादा रीड, मतलब मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि मुंह बंद करके एकदम बस मन ही मन पढ़ना है, नहीं। रीड इन द सेंस, आपको बोल के पढ़ना है। जितना ज्यादा बोल के पढ़ोगे, सब समझ जाओ कि बस एक न्यूज़पेपर लेना है, आपको बोलना है। अकेले में पढ़ो। अगर आपको लगता है कि नहीं, 10 लोगों के सामने, 2 लोगों के सामने पढ़ने में सही नहीं लग रहा है, तो आप अकेले में पढ़ो। बट प्रॉब्लम क्या, अगर आप जितना ज्यादा बोलोगे ना, उतना ज्यादा आपका जो लैंग्वेज है ना, वो और क्लियर होगा। अगर आपका लैंग्वेज क्लियर हो गया ना एक बार, तो वो अपने आप निकलेगा। अभी अभी मुझे बताओ, अपन गाड़ी चलाते, ठीक है, अगर गाड़ी बाइक चलाते हैं, आप दोनों बाइक चलाते होंगे, बाइक चलाते चलाते अगर कोई गड्ढा वड्ढा आ गया कुछ, तो आपको कोई नोटिफिकेशन आता क्या कि गड्ढा आया, ब्रेक लगाओ? नहीं आता ना, वो ऑटोमेटिक होता ना कि ऑटोमेटिक ब्रेक लग जाता आपके हाथ से। तो वैसे ही ऑटोमेटिक इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज है ना, वैसे ही वर्ड्स आने चाहिए। आपको सोचना नहीं चाहिए कि यार अभी अब गाड़ी चलाते चलाते आप सोचोगे कि मुझे अभी ब्रेक मारना चाहिए, तो फिर तो तब तक खत्म। तो ऐसा मतलब दिमाग में आना, मतलब इतना फास्ट कैलकुलेट होके ओके यहाँ पे ये वर्ड होगा, यहाँ पे ये वर्ड होगा, ऐसा आना चाहिए। वो कब आएगा? जब आप पढ़ोगे, जब आप रीडिंग लाइक न्यूज़पेपर हो या बुक्स हो, आप रीड करो, एकदम बोल के रीड करो, बहुत हेल्प होगा। बाकी दोनों सही है, ट्राई करो, हो जाएगा बिल्कुल, क्यों नहीं होगा यार। ऑल द बेस्ट है मेरे तरफ से दोनों को। और
सर
अगर
एक एक क्वेश्चन है।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
सर ये है कि जैसे EXL का मैंने इंटरव्यू दिया, तो उसमें मुझसे पूछा गया कि पैच मैनेजमेंट, तो वो मतलब वो काम मैंने कभी किया नहीं था, और उस समय मैं समझ नहीं पाया प्रॉपर आंसर देने में। तो मतलब आंसर कैसे करना है, जो काम किया ना हो मैंने, और
करेक्ट।
अगर उससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन पूछता है तो
You
उस
can
तरह को
say
कैसे?
directly like I did not work on that, but if I'll get chance I'll definitely work on that, and I will explain you in better way if you will give me chance to learn, because आपने पढ़ा नहीं, आपने देखा नहीं, तो आप उनको बता सकते हो कि मैंने पढ़ा नहीं बट मैं कर सकता हूँ, I know that I have a capability to do that, so if I'll get chance I will definitely do. So just short में ऐसा
ओके
explain कर देना है आपको।